up, YouTube? It's Spumatic back at it with another video. And this one, we're wrapping up the Memorial Day cruise, and we're in a commuter lot. And I get some close-ups of the Datsun 240z, 72, built original long block, making some power. It handles like it's on rails. It's a really nice car. So enjoy the video. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification button for me. Also still doing the giveaway at 500 subs, so subscribe and you may win something. Thank you for watching. Spumatic back at it. Like, comment, subscribe. Memorial Day drive. Hope everybody's safe. Tired of the Rona. A lot of horsepower out here. Spumatic. Like, comment, subscribe. You're gonna see a lot more of this. But we do. We're gonna continue to do it.
Yeah, you three were like glued to each other. It's rain. You three were like glued to each other. I'm sitting here with the big pictures. So as he dropped the gear, I dropped the same gear. I was one. It was easy, you know. That was great.
That was a nice drive.
Oh yeah.
What happened to Reg? Okay. He was trying that E30 tune out, or?
Every tune, every map they sent to me was messing up.
Oh.
I know, he was way back there.
Those were those corners, but it was always somebody in front or something.
It's tough sometimes.
Yeah.
Hard to gauge them.
Yeah, and then you got bike riders and stuff.
Yeah. It was cool though. Yeah, it's not bad. Trying to get out with this shot.
Pillow talking, girl, must be soft. Fell asleep next to her in the husky loft. We was close enough. Waking up in the morning, yeah. Can I hit it while you're yawning? Yeah. Can't you tell that I'm all in? Yeah. Can't you tell that I'm all in? Yeah. Girl, tell me why you stalling? Yeah. I can tell that you're falling. Yeah. Cause I got you calling. Yeah. Think about it often. Yeah. Girl, come pull up. I'm gone right now. I'm gone. I'ma lay you down there. I'ma lay it down. Yeah. Girl, come pull up. I'm gone right now. I'm gone. I'ma lay you down there. I'ma lay it down. Yeah. Girl, you better call it. Tell her yo we lay. Tell him looking like a snack. I'ma need a play. Yeah. Girl, you better call it. Tell her yo we lay. Tell him looking like a snack. I'ma need a play. Yeah. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need. Tell me what you need. I give you what you want. I give you what you want. As long as it's me. As long as it's me. As long as it's me. Get away like a crystal geyser. Shoot the flyers. When we're in private, you're my appetizer. I advise you to tell your supervisor you're gon' be in late. You got some unfinished beds, that's the handle. And girl, I can't wait. Girl, that's a blessing. Can I get a witness? You been working on your fitness. Girl, why you stressing? Won't you come hit this? If you low, I'll get you lifted. I'm just tryna keep up. Who done turn the heat up? Girl, I wanna eat ya, I cannot wait. Name the place to meet her. Kick back, put the weed up. I'm outside, hit the base. I'm tired of the chase. No time, I'm away. I know your job on your case. Tell your ex, give you space. cause that nigga not ace. You know it's on my mind. Tonight is the night. I'ma have you feeling right. I don't wanna fight. Pass me my light, and after I might hit it on sight. Shorty said alright. I said alright. She looking like a mill. Shorty just to kill. With an ass like that, damn, is it real? Wanna tell you how I feel, but when you act like that, I'ma go beast mode. When I touch down, I'ma run it back like that. Yeah, girl, come pull up. I'm gone right now. I'm gone. I'ma lay you down. I'ma lay you down. Yeah, girl, come pull up. I'm gone right now. I'm gone. I'ma lay you down. I'ma lay you down. Yeah, girl, you better call it. Tell him yo we late. Tell him looking like a star. I'ma need a play. Yeah, girl, you better call it. Tell him yo we late. Tell him looking like a star. I'ma need a play. Yeah. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need. Tell me what you need. I give you what you want. I give you what you want. As long as it's me. As long as it's me. Already got it rolled. I'ma switch it up so I never get sold. Girl, I'm on the road.
Give my kids money or give anybody money, I'm buying one. I'm putting down $2 million. I'm buying one because that's what I wanted. So I can't afford it, so I built something that that's it.
What's the prop for?
Huh?
The hood prop.
Well, I'll say one thing, guys. We got to play the lotto because come Tuesday, if you win after payout, you take 200 mil home.
Whoa. No, this.
Then you'll definitely get that Ferrari. And
I know. It's an old-ass 63 car.
This thing.
I got an old school car too, but it doesn't come out too often. I have a 74 Plymouth Cuda.
Oh, nice. Those are nice.
360, 4-speed standard, leather, all the original numbers matching.
Wow.
My old man Parkin gave it to me, and I haven't taken it out much. Got to put a lot of mileage on it.
Yeah. What kind of motor?
When it get hot,
360.
Nice.
the dude change up the
No header coming on the other side like normal.
No. The only thing he does is do a little different tune on it with a screwdriver. We don't even go.
Just listen to it. You just.
Yeah, and he takes it for a drive. But the fucker have a new trick. Leave the car. Oh, you got AAA? Just bring it down. They won't charge you. So it's there for a week. Tell me to come for it on Saturday. Yeah.
Pick it up and go.
So is it a built motor or
Everything says.
It's got a built motor.
a built motor?
2.8.
2.8. A little more compression or the effect? How much you running?
280.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Just collected on here.
No.
Ceramic coated. That's the headers right there.
Oh, okay. You see it, man. Okay. Yep.
That's it right here.
So is this the like original base long block that they come with?
Yeah, it came with a 2.4. This is a 2.8.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
Bigger.
Design concept behind it, basically. I never seen that with the header and everything. Old school.
Nice car.
Well, it's
Definitely knew that, but I thought.
Weber. These are 45s.
yeah, Weber. 45.
No,
got the jets and all that stuff going on.
The thing is, this car, I don't.
That's about it.
I said, see you later.
So I was telling this
Big
girl,
oil
I'm gonna take
filter.
every Friday or Monday off. I'm gonna have 3-day weekends.
Like a diesel truck motor.
Until overtime comes back. Then maybe I'll have Saturday.
737 might be coming back. It's going through fucking shit now.
I'll make my money in the winter.
Are you making parts of those?
I would never know you put that.
I don't know. I just worked on F-22
I
Raptor.
found it and Preacher. Oh, I got it. Preacher got it. It's 450 and 150 from Japan.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Because whenever I go to anywhere with a Z meet, everybody go, oh, where you got that? Did you cut it? No. No, it's Speed Form. Who? Speed Form. That's the name of the company that built it.
Gone right now. now. I'm gone. I'ma lay you down, I'ma lay you down. Yeah, girl, come pull up. I'm gone right now. I'm gone. I'ma lay you down, I'ma lay you down. Yeah, girl, you better call it. Tell him yo be late. Tell him looking like a star. I'ma need a play. Yeah, girl, you better call it. Tell him yo be late. Tell him looking like a star. I'ma need a play. Yeah. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need. Tell me what you need. I give you what you want. I give you what you want. As long as it's me. As long as it's me. Already got it rolled. I'ma switch it up so I never get sold. Girl, I'm on the road.
This thing, if you put RB26 in it,
I'm not calling.
you will give supercars.
What do you call it?
Because it's 2100 pounds.
You put that in. That's just. No, this doesn't have AC. Right?
No. But I can buy aftermarket AC. Yo, man, come on. It's an old car. You want to smell the gas. You want to smell everything. When you come back to the park, and you make sure that you can be a policy.
Yeah.
You don't drive it around.
Well, you drive it. Drive it.
I think it top out at about 150.
Like, not my top out. I just keep going. So this thing run.
Or you don't know, when it's foam, you just struggle with
I'm
the
not
rack.
even gonna touch it.
You're not touching it?
Yeah, because of the coating, everything that came off already.
Oh, okay. I've did that before where I never touch it, but sometimes if I have like bugs on the front, I feel like you gotta really agitate it.